there's this crazy Durango trying to run up on us. Well, unfortunately, we cannot get the Draggy to connect. It's probably either the windshield of this car or just how well it's insulated. So we're gonna have to do the old traditional way of measuring 0 to 60s. Clock and a timer. So we're gonna have to use that and see what we get. So I do apologize for this. I can't do anything about this right now. There's no visible USB port for me to try and charge up the Draggy more as well, which does suck, obviously, but what can I do? So 3, 2, 1, go. Oof. Wow. Welcome back, everyone. Today we have a 2017 Audi A8L 4.0T Quattro on our channel. Let's start her up. Today I'm going to go around the car. We're going to check out its exterior, go for a quick test drive, do some 0 to 60 tests with Draggy, and I will share my impressions to you at the very end of the video and what I liked and what I disliked. So enjoy, and make sure to hit the like button. Well, unfortunately, we cannot get the Draggy to connect. It's probably either the windshield of this car or just how well it's insulated. So we're gonna have to do the old traditional way of measuring 0 to 60s. Clock and a timer. So we're gonna have to use that and see what we get. So I do apologize for this. I can't do anything about this right now. There's no visible USB port for me to try and charge up the Draggy more as well, which does suck, obviously, but what can I do? All right, well, let's come to a full stop. All right, so 3, 2, 1, go. Oof. Wow. All right, so that was 5.24 seconds off idle. Well, let's turn around and try one more time. I did stop the timer at about 62 miles an hour because there is a little discrepancy on the real speed versus the GPS speed in these cars. So let's try one more time. If this thing stops rolling everywhere, that would be great, because it is really annoying. Okay, there we go. All right, now let's try and do it in the more interesting fun mode. Alrighty, let's try one more time. Let's do ESC off and do one more test. All right, so 3, 2, 1, go. Wow. Oh, this is quite a difference. So we got 4.5 seconds. Since I pressed it a little bit too late, I'd say 4.7 seconds. So anywhere 4.5 to 4.7. There's this crazy Durango trying to run up on us. Oh my god, that's hilarious. I don't want to go any faster than this here because, well, we're in Virginia and here it's very strict with speeds, so gotta be extra careful. As far as my feelings about the car, I think it's very nice. It's smooth, soft, but you can definitely feel how it does not like these fast turns. It definitely does not like fast turns. You can feel it hover to the side like this. The seats are phenomenally comfortable, great support. Steering is light. It's not very informative, but this car is not meant for sport driving. It's meant for just relaxing, chilling, and enjoying the ride. As far as the negatives, I can't find a USB port. Jeez, where is the damn USB port, Audi? 2017, come on. Even my Maxima had a USB port. Maybe I'm looking somewhere wrong, but here, I don't see it. I don't see it on the back. I don't see it here anywhere. I'm just assuming there's no ports, no USB ports anywhere here, which sucks. The screen could be bigger. And again, I realized the design is from 2011, 2012. The heads-up display is nice and clear, but it's not as advanced as BMW's heads-up display, where you can see the speed limit. It turns red when you're speeding. Maybe I can figure it out in the settings here somewhere, but I don't necessarily see it. Car systems, vehicle settings, and this MMI is kind of difficult to understand and use in some ways. I'm not too familiar with it. Back. Servicing and checks, AC. Yeah, I can't seem to find it. Overall, it's a great car. Meant for comfortable driving, has plenty of pickup. And the thing with Audis is when you're starting off a dig, there's a slight hint of a delay, but then once you move, you move. So it's a sub 5-second car easily. Very quiet inside. Overall, I like it a lot. Anyways, thank you so much for watching the test drive. There's plenty more videos coming out, so make sure to hit that like and subscribe button, and until next time.